Alright, when we look at the benefits and the features of the AHG silicone covers for your on-ear Bose headphones, you obviously have the main benefit being that it protects your ear pads from things like sweat, residue, moisture, dust, and just general wear and tear, which is obviously going to increase the longevity of your ear pads. You have some features such as the outside of the actual silicone is textured, so when it's in place it has a little bit of grip to keep it there rather than the sweat and any water, etc., making it move a lot more on your skin. There's also no loss of the sound performance because of the hole design that we put here, so the music and sound can escape as normal. And they're also hand or machine washable, so you can just pull them off and throw them in the washer, or just run them underwater and scrub them with your own hands, and then let them dry out, and then that's it. Alright everybody, welcome back to Accessory House Global's channel, and today we are looking at a new product. It is the AHG silicone covers for Bose on-ear headphones. So this is going to be a quick installation because it's pretty straightforward what you do. First things first is we have our ear pads that are already on. Obviously our silicone covers here just fit over top. There is, on the back of the silicone cover, the edge here is kind of curled in a bit, so it's meant to kind of slot into just behind the ear pad here. It doesn't clip in or anything like that, but it kind of just fits in place there. So the best thing to do here is just fit it over top first, hold it down with your fingers, and then just grab the bottom and just pull all the way around, just like that. And that is basically on there. And if we do that again on the other side, slip it on top, hold it, grab the bottom, and just stretch it over. So they go on nice and easy. They come off just as easy as well.